Alright guys, so on my last YouTube video, I got a whole bunch of comments about the hookah and how I was smoking and how it's like in almost all of my videos. Well, that is because I work at a hookah lounge. I smoke hookah all the time. If I could literally smoke every second of every day, I would. Wait, what? But the point is, I'm going to teach you guys today how to pack a hookah bowl. So, if you want to stay and watch the video to learn how to pack a hookah bowl, go ahead and stay. If not, like and subscribe my channel. Anyways, hello, I'm awesome, I'm beautiful, and I'm Yaya, the crazy crafting Cuban. So, let's get into it. Alright, so to start this, how to make a hookah bowl, we need some essentials. Okay, so we need some tongs, safety for the coals because it's hot, okay? Safety, number one rule, tongs and coals. Okay, we got a piece of aluminum foil that we're going to cut in half because we double foil our hookah so that it doesn't burn. We need some tobacco. I smoke mint. This is mint. Mint is the best, in my opinion. And then we need a clean hookah bowl. All right. This is what we need to start off. Now, we have to get some of this tobacco and break it up like that with our fingers. All right? We don't want clumps inside the bowl. We want it to be nice and feathery, right? All right, so then feathering, all right? You break it up. You don't want clumps. We get no clumps. So it's a little bit more. You don't want to overpack it. You don't ever want to put too much tobacco, but you do want to leave a little bit of hole in the inside, so that you can see that one hole right there in the middle, okay? That is what's going to give us the breathing chamber, okay? I hate when you go to hookah lounges or other people pack it, and then they cover that. That is why it burns. We need the hole, okay? Hole is essential. All right. We've closed this. That's getting put away. We cut our aluminum foil into 2 pieces. We have our tongs and we have our coals here that we need to light those. But how are we going to do this? All right. So you want to make sure it's really tight. Make sure it's flat and level. You don't want a bumpy hookah bowl, okay? Nice and flat like that. And then I like using a needle. Some people use a tack. Some people use, toothpicks. I like this. You get smaller holes. And all the way around. Boom. Try to make the lines as uniform as possible, okay? Just don't overdo it. Boom. All right. So the reason why I said that tongs are important, because safety is important, is because these things are literally hot. They are on fire. We don't want to burn ourselves. So give them a nice little blow. Get them all started. Put it on the hookah bowl flat. Okay, flat is what helps it get started. And we're going to go put it on our hookah. All right, so in my house, we have hookah options. So we're going to put it on this hookah right here. Bam. What? Yep. We got options. We have options. We have a blue one and we have this one. And then we also have that one. Boom. And then we have this red one over here. And then I have one in the closet, but I'm not opening that. So we're going to come back to this hookah. And let's take... All right. As we're taking a tiny trip around my house and with the hookah, it is time to hit it. It's time for the moment of truth. Does it smoke good? Does it taste like mint? That is the question here. Perfect. Every time. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Remember, I'm Yaya. This is Yaya Crafts. I'm the crazy crafting Cuban. Subscribe, like, comment. I'm awesome. Let me know. I'm also a little bit conceited. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I hope your next hookah is awesome.